We're going to compare Raquel Welch's Shaded Iced Sweet Cream, which I'm wearing here on Flying Solo. And I have the crushed Almond R and the Shaded Biscuit to throw in there for perspective. Coming in. Remember, you can find all of the featured wig styles today under the video. Expand the description box. I'll attach a direct product link in the description. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site where you can see all of the colors and the pricing on these styles. If you have any specific questions about these styles, feel free to contact support at wigstudio1.com. So today we want to talk about three blondes and how similar or different they can be. This is the Shaded Iced Sweet Cream on Raquel Welch's Flying Solo. It's RL 1622 SS, and I want to compare that to the Crushed Almond R by PBelle Tress, brand new in their City collection. I think they're very, very similar, and I'm going to throw in a Shaded Biscuit RL 1923 for perspective. Breaking down Shaded Iced Sweet Cream. Now, I have seen variations of this color, some more cool than others. It's basically ash on ash. So an ash blonde, a light to medium ash blonde, and then an ash platinum highlight. And it does have some dimension in there as well. Now what happens is, because this ash platinum is so light and so devoid of color, you're going to see that's going to warm this up. That sand kind of looks warm right next to these iced highlights here. So it might appear to have some warmth to it, but when in reality, and if you separate out those colors, it is a true ash on ash color. And then it has a medium brown root, and that root is even ashy. There's no gray in this color. I don't want to give that impression, even if it may look like that on camera. But I'm just saying it's kind of a powdery root, an ash root. In terms of its temperature, it's more cool and on the ash side. So again, the Shaded Iced Sweet Cream. So how does that then compare to the Crushed Almond R in the City collection by PBelle Tress? The color code on this one is a 14, a 17, a 101, and an R18. So what does all of this mean? So I think it's kind of a sandy, maybe honey blend, and then it's going to be heavily highlighted with an ash blonde and more of a platinum shade. And it's really a nice creamy blend. You can definitely see some more dimension in it with those deeper tones. And again, sometimes those deeper tones, even though they're not warm, they kind of look warm next to this platinum, don't they? Now that's supposed to be a light brown root, but I think that must be really hard to achieve, because when they say it's light brown, sometimes we can get something that looks more medium. And I know that that does not please a lot of you, does it? We want to see a lighter root. So that's the differences between these two colors, and in the side by side you'll be able to pick out even more, but I think this is going to be a little warmer and a little creamier next to the Shaded Iced Sweet Cream, which is totally cool. This has a little bit of a warmer note. It is neutral leaning cool. So here's Shaded Biscuit, RL 1923 SS, as it appears on the Editor's Pick Elite. Now, I have seen so much variation in this color because I own a lot of pieces in this color. A honey or a sandy base, and that is a very light to medium. And then it's going to be heavily highlighted with an ash blonde and a platinum. Platinum is going to be highlighted around the face more to brighten it up. But it's a nice, creamy, soft, light blonde. And I feel like this one is neutral, leaning cool, depending on how much platinum is in this color, right?